Nambaji Tongkulatashtel. Happy birthday, Dalai Lama. Long life, Dalai Lama.
Tashidele. So today is the birthday of His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama. It's his 90th birthday, and it's a great day, it's a great celebration, it's a great happiness. And I personally feel very, very blessed to attend this amazing celebration, and to be blessed also by His Holiness is amazing. And I wish His Holiness a very long life, and I wish we will celebrate his 100th birthday, and then his 110, and 114, as the prediction was taught to him. So I just feel very, very happy and overwhelmed by the very nice gathering and all the celebrations.
Hello, my name is Parkma. I came from Seattle, Washington in the US, and I'm really happy. I was really happy to see His Holiness the Dalai Lama doing well, even at the late age of 90. And my final wish was for him to live a very long life.
I am very happy to attend the ceremony today of the 19th birthday of His Holiness Dalai Lama, and I make a vow for his long life and for the benefit of all.